Hello student, as we were studying chapter number 13, moving from place to place, in this chapter we were studying the means of communication through which we are traveling from one place to another. In this chapter, I have told you that why we used to travel. Maybe we have some urgent work in a place, or maybe we in search of some other work, and if we want to study in a good place, or even we want to see a new place. So that's why we used to travel. Early men used to travel in search of food. Okay. So as they are the means of transport, it is divided in basically three categories: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Land transport is also further divided in roadways and railways. So previously we have studied about inland transport, roadways. I have told you that roads are connected from one city to another, and if we want to go from some place from our city to another city, we used to take a road transport like a bus, car, or we can take a taxi. So whatever we like, we can travel from roads. And there are two kinds of roads also: kacha roads and pakka road. Pakka road is found in the cities, and kacha roads are there in the villages. See, this is a kacha road in which a bullock cart is traveling. Kacha road is made up of mud. Now, let's move towards the fact file. So, in India, we have a long road whose name is the GT road. The GT road, the full name of the GT road is the Grand Trunk Road. The GT road is one of the longest road in our country or in Asia continent also. There are many long roads and it is one of the longest road. Children, this road is made by a king. His name is Sher Shah Suri. The name of the king was Sher Shah Suri. In very old time. That time this road was kacha road. Now it is cemented. We have reconstructed it. But what about this road is that it connects the city of India to Pakistan. Pakistan is our neighboring country. Our country to another country. So, this is the map of India. The Grand Trunk Road, GT Road, start in Bangladesh, which is another country, and moves to the India and then go to Pakistan. Here you can see Pakistan. And to the Afghanistan. So there are four countries. This road, the GT road is connecting. So it is going from here, from Bangladesh to India to Pakistan, and it ends in Afghanistan. So it's a very long road. It is also written here that Bangladesh to Afghanistan. It is built by an Afghan emperor, Sher Shah Suri. And when you grow up and go to the higher classes, you will learn about this man more in detail. And right now that's enough that you will learn about the GT road, the Grand Trunk Road. We are also using this road now. Let's talk about the railways. See children, this is the railway engine or railway train you have seen, or you have maybe you travel through this as well. If we want to go from one place to another, we can take a rail because it saves time. It is faster than the car or the bus. It will take less time. It is also take less money. It is very cheap. Railways are very important because railway connect our whole country, one place, every city. Okay. In Indian railway system today is one of the largest in Asia. And after China, in Asia, our is the second largest one in our continent. So we know that railways are very, very important. It is cheap also. Cheap means sasta bhi hai, and it is fast from our car and buses, and it can carry heavy loads. So railway carry crores of passenger and heavy bulky goods from one part to another part of the country. All the important towns and cities are connected with the help of railway tracks. They are cheap and fast. So this is all about the railway. Okay, railway, this is a railway engine. There are electrical engine, diesel engine. Okay, in earlier time there was a coal engine. There are a lot more things we will learn about the railways. So this is about the railway. Let's move to the next one, which is waterways. Children, you can see there are many pictures like ship, cargo ship and oil tanker. So the water transport is the oldest means of transport. Before the trucks and the cars and the trains were developed, the water transport is developed at the first place. कार, ट्रक और रेलवे के डेवलप होने से पहले भी वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट चलता था. So water transport is the oldest means of transport. It is before roadways and railways. Goods and people move from one place to another through water transport. And what they use rafts. Rafts are small boats. And nowadays what we are using boat, ferries and motor boats. There is motor in that boat which travels very easily in river or sea. So these three boats are used for traveling a short distance, like you are boating in a lake or boating in a river. But if you want to travel under the ocean, over the ocean, you have to take a ship. For long distance, we take ship and which carry passenger from one country to another. There is a cargo ship which used to carry tons of goods, while oil tankers are used to transport mineral oil and petroleum. So see, this is a ship from which people can travel one country to another. Do you ever hear the name of Titanic? It is also a ship. And here is the cargo ship in which we carry loads. See, so many loads in it, in which there are so many things like vegetables, fruits, clothes, minerals, all of them are here. And this is an oil tanker. In this there is petrol, diesel, which we bring from Saudi Arabia to our country. So water transport is very important. Now let's come to the fourth one, last one, which is air transport. We know that what comes in air transport? Aeroplanes and helicopter. Have you seen aeroplane and helicopter, students? Yes, so it is very good. So air transport is the fastest and most expensive. सबसे fast कौन सा होता है हमारा? Air. सबसे slow? Water. The fastest is air transport, but it is most expensive also. ये बहुत महंगा भी होता है. All major cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Jaipur, Kolkata and all the major cities are connected with the help of airports. Plane take off from airport and land it on another airport. And what is the use of helicopter, students? The helicopter is basically used to travel, used in rescue mission. What are the rescue mission? Imagine that there is a flood somewhere. Flood मतलब कहीं पर बाढ़ आ गई. अब बाढ़ आ गई तो लोग फंस जाते हैं बाढ़ में. So the people we can save those people with the help of an helicopter. Our government send our army to that place to save the people. So helicopters are of great help during rescue operations during flood and other natural calamities. Other natural calamities का मतलब है और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ जैसे भूकंप, सूखा, बाढ़, ओके, लाइक फायर. अगर कहीं आग लग गई तो भी वहाँ पे हेलीकॉप्टर से लोगों को बचाया जा सकता है. And however, it is not possible to transport heavy bulky goods in air. Like you can see that ship can take a lot of things with them, but plane is not able to take a lot of goods. There is weight limit. यहाँ इसमें हम ज़्यादा सामान नहीं ले जा सकते वरना प्लेन नहीं उड़ पाएगा. अब we have learned a lot of means of transport. अब वो चलते कैसे हैं? वो चलते इंजन में है. इंजन कैसे चलता है? इंजन पेट्रोल से चलता है. Your bike is also running from petrol, diesel or gasoline or CNG. So these all are what? They are fossil fuel. और जब भी हम फॉसल फ्यूल को बर्न करते हैं, यूज करते हैं, तो क्या निकलता है? उसमें से धुआं निकलता है. स्मोक विल कम आउट. एंड व्हाट इट कॉज एयर पोल्यूशन. So if we want to go for a short distance, like your school is very near, So you can go on foot also. आप पैदल भी जा सकते हो. Or you can go by bus because all the children are going by bus. Or that is called a public transport. You can share your vehicle with your friend also. That is called a carpool. Sharing your vehicle with some other. And if it is very short distance, you can go while cycling, while walking. It will keep you fit. So save the fuel because it will save our environment. It will cause less pollution. Now let's come to this. And you can see there are lots of animals carrying people and goods. There is Tonga. Tonga is a horse cart. And see, there is a yak which used to carry loads on the back. And see, there is a camel which is used in desert area. So we are going to learn about the animals drawn cart. Animals drawn cart, the cart which is pulled by animals. So cars drawn by oxen, horses, ponies, donkeys and mules. Mules are खच्चर. खच्चर जिसको बोलते हैं हम हिंदी में. Common in the rural area to move goods. Goods मतलब सामान from the godown or to the mandis to elsewhere. So ये जितने भी pictures आप देख रहे हो, like a tonga or a yak or a camel or a pony or a ox, they all are used. इन सबको यूज करते हैं कहाँ पर? villages में यूज करते हैं, रूरल एरिया में यूज करते हैं सामान को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाने के लिए. In older days, a tonga, a horse cart, was extensively used for carrying passengers. So see, this is a tonga which is used earlier to carry people from one place to another they want to go. And see, elephants were also used to travel in the forest. Okay, other animals that help in transportation are elephants in forest, yaks and mules in hilly areas. और ये जो yaks है ये कहाँ पे यूज होते हैं? hilly areas में. And the camels are used in desert areas. Even the camel is also called the ship of the desert. So this is our chapter is finished here. Read the chapter properly. I'll give you some work to do. Do that and have a nice day.